Hi guys, today's video is going to be something a little different. So my friend Cherry, the Cherry Doll Face, I will put it right here and link her YouTube in the description box below. She was a really sweet person. I actually met her when I went to the trip with Benefit Cosmetics. So anyway, she hit me up and asked me if I wanted to do this, I guess it would be some type of challenge. Challenge accepted. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate one of her YouTube video looks without actually watching or ever seeing the video. I'm just going to do it from her audio. And by the way, she was not playing. She literally just sent me the link a little while ago because she didn't want me to cheat. So what we did is we sent each other kind of like a general list of everything, like foundation, concealer, everything that you might need. So she's actually trying to do this in real time. I said she was crazy because there's no way I can do a full face in, I think her video, she said it was like 10 minutes. I think it's impossible, but I'm going to try my best. And I already cheated because I have my eyebrows on again. It was just, I forgot. Whenever I film, I know, okay, I'm going to do my eyebrows before. And I wasn't thinking what video I was going to film. I was just thinking, okay, I have to film. So whatever. I did my eyebrows. Sorry. So what I'm going to try to do is just have my phone here, not looking at it. I mean, I can see it in the viewfinder, but I don't use like a big screen. It's just literally like the little tiny camera viewfinder. So I can't really see anything. And then hopefully if I need to pause it, I can pause it. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I need to get myself situated because I feel like this is going to go really fast. 10 minutes and 42 seconds? There's no way. The first thing she said, I'm going to cheat already. The first thing she told me was a stick foundation, so I'm already having it ready. I don't even think this is my color. This is too dark. Shit, that's the only one I found. Shit, that's loud.
Hello everybody, today I am here and I am doing a full face of makeup.
I can't see anything right there.
Only Anastasia Beverly Hills products. Beverly Hills, I don't know where that accent came from. I'm only using Anastasia products today. Let's do this. Okay, so to start I put on a primer of a company which shall not be named because I do not have Anastasia primer. I don't even know if they make primer. But next I'm doing their stick foundation.
Oh my god, she's not.
Porcelain.
This is the only one I have.
I ordered this online.
She says
so
stick
I
foundation.
just crossed my fingers that it was the right color. I usually am safe if I just go with the very lightest color that they have. I don't usually have very good luck with stick foundation because I do have combination skin and it tends to stick to the dry hairs. Done! Just kidding.
Wait, what?
So last time I did a full face
What is she
makeup,
putting? I don't know what she's using.
Brush to blend my stick foundation, and I did not like how it came out. So this time I'm going to use a beauty blender and see if it turns out better.
Oh wait, she used a beauty blender.
Yay! And it looks like this is a pretty good match. Maybe a little light. So this foundation has nice full coverage and it's not cakey.
Mine doesn't, Cherry.
Is what I find with stick foundations most of the time. So this is a good one. Yay! The other thing that I do like about stick foundation versus regular foundation is that you can use it as a concealer too.
Oh, please don't tell me you're doing that.
Which I do right now because, I don't know, because God hates me. You can use your stick foundation to blend those, and you don't need a concealer. Hairs all over me. Now I'm going to use Anastasia concealer.
Ah! I don't have one. I'm using Tarte.
Again, I got the very lightest color. I hope that
I'm just going for it because I don't have that.
Whoa! This is really thick concealer. Alright, good to know.
I'm already going in hot, Cherry. Shoot.
Not heavy, and as you could see, a little
already
bit went a long way. That sometimes is the benefit of buying
oh my god, is she done?
products, is that they actually last longer. Cool, I'm really feeling this makeup. So now,
oh my god!
my favorite part, as you all know,
are you kidding me?
Contouring. And I couldn't do
she's playing me right now.
Anastasia without using their contour kits because that's beyond eyebrows, but they're known.
I'm not done. I'm not done.
So I'm just gonna get messy with it and use my fingers.
Oh my god, she's using her fingers. What is she? Oh my god.
Concealer. Oh, it's not too bad. Okay. Alright, so let's try this light color.
Oh my god, she didn't even set it. She's using her fingers.
The color in the contour is not light enough for my skin, so it just looks like the same color as my
What is she doing? I don't even know what she's doing.
And in this palette, they also have this one, which is actually...
Did she say she's contouring? Oh my god, did she say... I'm using this palette right here.
A little tiny bit of shimmer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend all this out, and then I'm going to take the highlighting cream on my sponge and go back over the light highlight.
I have no idea what she's doing!
I know makeup is good if it inspires me to sing.
I don't know if she did the...
Makeup, but like, you look so
she's doing?
A little bit of that luster and just go over.
She said some kind of cream highlighter something. I'm taking this MAC one.
Okay, so just like my primer, I do not have an Anastasia powder, so I am using a powder which will not be named.
I don't know what I'm doing. Did she use?
So I'm actually going to
okay,
bake under my eyes.
She's baking under her eyes.
Take that, circles. High five, Anastasia.
Oh my God, she's going too
I'm
fast.
just going to take a little bit of powder and just lightly dust away my shine. And
oh my God, what is she doing?
Oh, I just realized this is like hologram. Look at that. So fancy. So now I'm using this blush palette. This is the Blush Trio in Cocktail Party.
Wait, blush palette? Oh my God, I don't have a blush. I don't have a blush. Oh my God, she's using a blush already. I'm just gonna use the Benefit Coralisa because I don't know what's going on.
So it looks like I'm gonna be real spicy with my blush today.
What?
I've also never used a flat blush brush.
Oh my God, this isn't working.
This blush is the jam. So far, everything I've used, I've actually loved.
What?
Right, now I'm using this.
Cherry, I'm too ugly for this. I need more.
This is the Pro Pencil eyeshadow primer and so
eyeshadow primer. I'm using the Sigma one.
It's a little bit more dull.
Oh my God.
But it says it's an eyeshadow primer, so we're gonna just roll with it. This is that bad boy.
This is crazy.
I really need to trim my eyebrows, but like it's just too hectic sometimes to worry about your little eyebrow fingers. Although it drives me crazy when I see them in pictures. First world problems. Now I'm gonna blend my finger.
Oh my God, she's using her finger.
The one benefit though, with it being a pencil,
God,
is that
what
if you
is she
need to
doing?
go back in and prime any little spot to grab like anything metallic or whatever, which I'm probably gonna do in a minute.
This is not working out for me, Cherry.
Or pots. Okay, so now I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette, which I'm really excited.
I have that.
Oh,
oh my God, my camera, why is it blinking? Oh God.
What are we gonna start with? I think I'm going to start with Real Daughter, which is this one.
What did she say?
It's really pigmented, so I'm gonna go in a little light. Oh, this is nice.
Oh my God, what did she say?
I'm avoiding this middle part because I'm gonna put something different there, and I'm just gonna blend really well.
I have. Oh, she's going with this one.
And a really nice brush. Usually the brushes that come with palettes are garbage. So
oh my God, she's using the brush.
Wow, that didn't even take much work.
I don't know what she's doing.
And I'm
I don't know what she's doing.
Okay, now I'm gonna take this A5 brush.
You guys, she did both eyes already?
Works out. I'm gonna do a mix of red ochre and Venetian red because I want it to be a little bit more pink. Oh, that's nice. So I'm just kind of doing this.
No way she's doing this fast. What the?
And then I'm gonna blend out.
Wait, what?
These brushes and this eyeshadow is the jam. This is just a big blending brush. I'm just gonna use this to blend the outsides. And the blending brush is Anastasia too. Now I'm gonna go back to the smaller brush that came in the set, and I'm still using a blend of those two darker colors, but I'm gonna go underneath.
Underneath her eye?
Officially rules. So I'm gonna go back, like I said, with that primer.
What? Is she even
go on those little blanks in the center, just to make sure that this neck color really sticks.
Did she go under her eye? Oh God, Lord.
Brush. And now I'm gonna use Primavera, which is this. It's like a shimmery kind of goldy color.
You guys, is she speeding it up? Because this is ridiculous.
And then a little bit right on.
This is a bad idea. Oh my God.
Then I'm gonna take that big brush again.
No.
I actually wiped it off.
What did she do? I don't know what she did.
Tempera, and just do a little bit on my arch.
Temple.
And this will help to sort of blend as well.
On
now
the
I'm
arch.
taking this metallic luster liner. This is gold.
Oh my God, is she kidding me?
Let's see. Liquid gold. I'm just gonna line.
Fucking ridiculous. She put some on her brow bone, I think. I heard.
Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows.
Oh, I got some time because I got my eyebrows done. There's no way she did her eyes that fast. What the hell?
This is what I actually do my eyebrows. This is their Dipper Pop.
I don't have a.
Okay, now I'm gonna take that gold again.
What? Okay, can I?
Line right under my eyebrows.
Wait.
So we will see if this brush is any good. I'm not doing a super thick line because I want you to be able to see all of my eyeshadow. This brush
Oh my God, she's doing eyeliner already. I swear to God, she goes so fast.
Yep, this liner rules. I give Anastasia A+.
I'm gonna use a Sigma gel liner.
Because my eyes are so watery right now. I also have really bad allergies.
Oh.
Oh, son of a bitch! Look what I've done!
Because you're going too fast!
A clumsy, clumsy lady. I'm going to apply my mascara.
Are you serious? She did both eyes.
Mascara. Again, I don't know if they make mascara, but I do not have it.
Dead ass. This is ridiculous.
Now I'm going to apply my
Okay, I need to pause it.
Of 2 of their liquid lipsticks.
I need to pause it and just do a quick eyeliner. This girl is going way too fast. I am stressed right now. Oh my god, do you guys feel like this when you watch my videos? Like they're just way too fast? This is stressful. I'm going to just put eyelashes on, and I don't even know if she... I know I heard her say she cream contoured, but I just heard her say something about highlight. I don't even know if she did, like, dark, because I didn't, and I look like Casper right now. I didn't even put mascara. I'm sweating. I put my lashes on. They don't even look like they're on right. She's like a minute left, and she's telling me she's going to do something else other than this. Oh, she's probably just going to do her lips. Oh my god, I hate her so much.
Lipsticks. It's kind of redundant. They're liquid lipsticks. This is Trust Issues, and this is Tulip. So it's kind of a purpley and a pinky. So first, I'm going to go on the outside with Trust Issues. See how it blends. So then I'm going to do the inside with...
She already did it? Tulip. Oh, come on.
These actually blend together really nicely. Yay! So that is it. That is my full face of makeup using Anastasia Beverly Hills products. I hope you guys like this. I have to say that this brand pretty much rules. There was not one single thing that I used that I wouldn't use again or that I wasn't super stoked about.
What? No way. She really did that in... I'm just going to finish putting this on, and then I'm going to call her and tell her how much I hate her. You know, I really felt like I was going to do a lot better. My eyeliner, my eyelashes are not all right. Look at this eyeliner. Can you see this? Oh my god. Did she put any bronzer on, or did I miss that part? There is no fucking way you did your face in 10 minutes. This was a disaster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could do your face this fast, I applaud you, because I am not that cute. I need way more products and way more time. It was fun though. She will be doing the same thing with one of my videos, so I will link her channel in the description box because they are going up on the same day, so you guys can head over to her channel and check out her video. Go show her some love, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.